There are so many options available when it comes to platforms. No wonder you are overwhelmed. Let us run you through what you should pay attention to when making a choice. So, number 1 is the user experience, not only for you as an admin, but your students as well. Think about what your students will see and do. Interactive features like quizzes, certificates, and community can really make your courses stand out. They keep students engaged and motivated. Next is the payment options. Now, this is a biggie. You need a platform that offers a variety of payment methods, credit cards, PayPal, and why not your local payment method? It's all about convenience for your students and, of course, more enrollments for you. Third, how the platform charges you. Some have a flat monthly fee, others take a percentage of your sales, and others even have many hidden fees. Be sure to understand these details. So, see how the pricing structure will impact your bottom line. Fourth, support. When things go wrong, and, believe us, they do, you want help fast. Check if the platform offers 24/7 support and through which channels. It can be live chat, email, or phone. Responsive support can make a world of difference. And lastly, scalability. Can the platform grow with you? Look at any limitations on the number of courses, students, or storage space. You don't want to hit a ceiling just when your business is taking off. Make sure the platform can handle your growth. Now, here's the good news, all this information is right on our comparison page. We've made it super easy for you. You can see platform descriptions, pros and cons, ratings, features, pricing, support options, and scalability all laid out side by side. So, take a look around. Explore the page, compare your options, and choose the platform that's just right for you. See you there!